my stakeholders for my wildfire podcast are animals, hunters, blind, deaf, and elderly people. How the stakeholders are going to be, or how they're going to survive, are the animals are going to have shelter. The hunters are going to have shelter also because they're out in the woods. The blind are going to have some sort of warning and mobility. Same with the deaf and same with the elderly. Well, all of them are going to get a warning. But those three are the ones that need it most. And how they will be helped is the animals will have some sort of zoo or caretaker thing. The hunters will have a house made out of non-flammable material like bricks, concrete, glass, and something like that. The blind will have sirens because they can still hear, and a self-driving car or just a regular car. The deaf people will have a TV with a warning and also a car to get away, and they can drive the blind person if they're neighbors or something. And the elderly will just have a car because they can hear both siren and warning. So yeah, and my ideas for this are sirens, a warning, the house walls, which are made out of non-flammable material, and they'll work as intended. I don't know how to explain it. And how we'll warn people, or how we'll know there's like a forest fire, is we'll have helicopters and drones scouting out the area, and then they're just flying it. Whenever they see it, the helicopters will send out a warning, and 2 turrets are gonna come out, and then they'll take water miniguns and water guns and just go and splash the water everywhere, and we'll drop like 200 gallons of water on the fire. And everybody's required to have at least 2 fire extinguishers, so that way they can have 2 of them and go and extinguish the fire, which is pretty good. And I got all of these ideas from my brain and Mr. Sensala. He gave me the idea of non-flammable house walls. So those are the 2. So yeah, that's my podcast / YouTube video on wildfire stuff. So this thing that I keep holding up, all it says is news stuff about wildfires, and peanut butter and Pringles are very good. Yep, that's it.